Hello and welcome. If we are just meeting for the first time, my name is Sheila Folk and I am the CEO of Travel Industry Solutions, but I'm also a travel advisor just like you. In fact, TIS was born out of my own frustration as a new advisor and then as an agency owner who began to grow and scale my business. So, when I first started in the industry, one of the very first things that I did for my agency was to develop scripts. So, in this session, we're going to talk about why you need scripts, why my scripts are so detailed, how they can help protect you, what they should include, how and when you should execute them, and also how they can make you more money. So, why do you need scripts? First, they help you to look professional. They set the stage for the working relationship. They ensure you never miss a step. They demonstrate your authority. They help you to upsell without being pushy. They also help to create uniformity and consistency in your agency. And lastly, they're going to save you time. And in turn, that makes you more money. So, what are the basic scripts everyone should have? Prospecting, booking, and post travel scripts. When you become a TIS member, we provide you with a user guide, subject lines, timeline for execution, and all the language you need to ensure you are on point with your communications. Our booking scripts are also written for land, cruise, mass market, and luxury. An example of one of our scripts is our welcome email. This includes payment information and deadlines. What's next in how suppliers handle final documents, airline tickets, and ancillary reservations. What the customer is responsible for, such as passport information, entry and exit requirements, a link to your terms and conditions, information that's relevant to any actions you want your customer to take with instruction on how to complete that action or task. And of course, we always include a professional salutation in closing. As you can see, my welcome email is 1.5 pages long. And I can tell you that I never, ever get customer calls after their booking has been placed with questions like, when can I make my shore excursion reservations? When will my final documents be issued? Where can I find information on passport requirements and so on? Why? Because I've laid everything out from the onset. My clients now know that when they book with me, they never have to think about anything until their travel date. And subsequently, I rarely have to touch the booking unless the customer is adding to or making minor adjustments. This frees me up to focus on other customers and make more money, or use that time to spend doing something for my family or myself. Another example is my travel insurance reminder. It's not just a simple ask of, hey, do you want travel insurance or not? My insurance script plants questions in the minds of the traveler so that they can make an informed decision about whether they can afford to lose their investment, how they'll handle getting home in the event of an accident, and so on. 100% of my clients purchase travel insurance. That protects them, it protects me, and it adds to my bottom line. But let me point out that the scripts should never take the place of personal contact. They are designed to take the place of repeatable actions. So, how do scripts make you more money? As I mentioned, it saves you time on repeatable tasks. It's the repeatable tasks, questions, and interruptions that will suck your time and leave you feeling exhausted and overwhelmed. Scripts also allow you to upsell concierge services. For instance, if you have a customer traveling to Rome in the height of the summer, You can nudge them to make dining reservations well in advance. You can recommend restaurants and even make the reservations for them for a small fee. And guess what? Most will take you up on it, and you've just gotten to make another $50 or $150. They also help to build your authority and trust, which creates invested clients and referrals. When your customer has the confidence that you are on top of every little detail of their trip and you show them you are, they will never leave you. In fact, my scripting is probably one of the top reasons why I have an incredibly high referral rate. And it's why I never get calls asking the same questions over and over again. So, how do scripts help protect you? They provide an added layer of CYA. Every single one of my payment scripts references out to my terms and conditions. They also ensure your clients don't miss important deadlines, and you don't either, because when you miss deadlines, that's a risk exposure for your business. So, how and when should they be executed? If you want to save time and make more money, scripts should be queued at the time of booking, or in the case of the initial consultation, right after that consultation. Why are my scripts so long? Because of everything that I've listed above. How in the world can I book volume or grow my business if I am continuously spending time on repeatable tasks and trying to remember what I need to do for the next customer or for that customer? It also helps to easily train new virtual assistants and independent sub-agents who want the help from you. So, when you're thinking about how much time you spend on repeatable tasks and how much time you could be spending on your business, consider tools that will help you to save time, look professional, and build your authority so you can make more money. Scripts are one of the ways you can do that. I promise, if you implement scripts, you won't regret it.